So we had stopover, no?
Turn right onto Sayre Highway.
Stopover here in Shell, Carmen. Revelation to. Ito yung sabi ko kasi may kainan, no? Mga resto. Dito. Pwede tayong next time ng mga stopover. Kasi
Continue on Sayre Highway for 27 kilometers.
so this is yung we'll be trying yung entirely new route going to Cagayan, no? We'll be passing Banisilan, no, Wao, tapos Lumbia. Normally kasi yung rota from Jensan is we are taking yung Carmen, tapos Bukidnon, Valencia, Balay. This one is 30 minutes faster, no? Tingnan natin, malalaman natin. But yung highway here in Carmen, no, long stretch to na highway, 4 to 6 lanes na siya. Before, iniiwasan to mga 10 to 20 years ago, lalo na kung gabi. But ngayon ang balita, this is 24 hours na. Very safe na yung biyahe here. So this Carmen is part of still part of North Cotabato ba, Bukidnon? Geographically I think part of malaki sa mapa no? Parang between two provinces. I think North Cotabato pa to. Hindi, nakalagay kasi welcome to Bukidnon Ano ba talaga? What is the right geography of Carmen? Is it part of North Cotabato o Bukidnon? Kasi kanina I saw welcome to Bukidnon na But I think this is too early pa na sabihin na Bukidnon. Straight ahead, no? Yung sabi nilang more than 200 na winding roads of Carmen. No, marami. Dito yan, marami.
Tuloy ko ba?
So, maganda tong to. For example, if you're really driving, magandang experience driving yung going to Carmen because winding roads, no? Tingnan natin. Okay, ang ganda ng table, no? Wow. Ito yung
Hardwood, no?
galing,
Angat lang ang niya, pindurahan ako. Varnish.
Ito yung you're getting mga hardwood. Kumuha kami from here, no, sa near this area. Yung Molabe. Difficult lang to transport nowadays kasi checkpoint, no. Takot na paperworks. Okay.